Hey kids, how are you? This is Elena here. I'm from Providence, Rhode Island. You might know me as a model or an actress. And I just want to let you know that, like me, it's the most important thing you can do to follow your dreams. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't do. Don't let anyone get you down. There'll always be bullies. Back when I was in middle school, elementary school, and even high school, I saw kids being bullied, and I was always the one to go up and step in, make sure that the right thing was done, and let them know that bullying isn't right and doesn't get you anywhere. For more information, please visit mylifemypower.org.